Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook Moringa vegetable updated. Start by washing and shedding leaves, then blanch for 1 minute to soften. Squeeze excess water and chop coarsely. Heat 1 tablespoon oil, sauté 2 cloves garlic until golden, add leaves and 1 teaspoon salt, stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Finish with a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of chili for extra brightness and serve warm. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon oil, then sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 crushed garlic cloves until translucent. Toss in blanched moringa leaves and season with 1 teaspoon salt and a pinch of black pepper. Stir continuously for 2 to 4 minutes so leaves stay bright and tender crisp. Finish with a splash of soy sauce or a squeeze of lemon to lift flavors, and serve immediately with rice or flatbread. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so we can make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice, it's a fun pick-me-up and pairs with road trips to grocery markets. I put the link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Start by making a light roux with 1 tablespoon butter and 1 tablespoon flour, then whisk in 1 cup coconut milk until smooth. Add blanched moringa leaves and simmer gently for 5 to 8 minutes so the leaves absorb the creamy sauce. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to balance flavors. Serve the creamed moringa over warm grains or alongside grilled protein.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.